Today's topic on which we are going to discuss is about how to use our smartphone as a keyboard or like a mouse to control our laptop. That's what we are going to see how to do that. Okay, we will use an application in our mobile to control our cursor. Okay, and type keywords. For that purpose we are going to follow 3 steps. First one is the installation of a PC remote receiver software in our laptop. In the second one, installation of PC remote application in our smartphone. Then demonstration of how to connect both your laptop and smartphone for using it like a keyboard or mouse. Okay guys, first of all we need to install the remote PC software in our laptop. So we have to go to Chrome browser. Okay, then we have to type monshade.com and you will direct it to this website, and you have to download this software from here, and then you have to click on download link 1 and your download will be started. So as you can see, my download has been started. After the download is completed, now as you can see, your software has been downloaded in the download folder of this PC, and you have to install it. For the installation purpose, we have to right click on here and open it. And then you have to click on yes, and then click on OK, then next, then I agree. Then this is the destination folder where your things will be saved. Okay, then you have to click on install, and it will take a little bit and it will install. As you can see, my installation has been completed and I have to click on finish. Now your software has been installed in your laptop, and now you have to install the application of a remote PC or PC remote in our mobile. Then we have to download the PC remote application in our mobile. For that reason, we have to go to our Play Store and type for PC remote. And this is the application which we need to install it. It has 5 million downloads, so you can trust it, and please install it, and then we can use it to connect to our laptop. After the installation of software in our laptop as well as in our mobile, and the application in our mobile, then what we have to do, we have to connect our mobile to our laptop through same hotspot and Wi-Fi. So for that reason, we have to turn on our mobile hotspot. As you can see, my mobile hotspot has been turned on, and then we have to connect it in our laptop. So we have to go here, come here, and as you can see, my hotspot has been showing here. I have to connect it. Okay, it has been connected. Now what we have to do, we have to launch both the application in our mobile as well as in our PC. So here I have launched my mobile application, and in laptop I have launched both the applications, and for that reason we have to connect. We have to click on connect here, but it has been connected automatically. Okay, then now you can see I can control the cursor in my mobile, so it is acting like a mouse. Okay, so as you can see, I can click on anything here, and I can use it like a keyboard also. Here you can see there is a keyboard option. I have to click on here and click on notepad. Okay, as you can see, notepad has been gone and I can type here. As you can see, it is my mobile has been using like an keyboard. This is a very useful process for those whose laptop's keyboard or mouse has some troubles. He can use his smartphone as a keyboard or mouse and control it. So this much for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and please like the video and share it to your friends, and please do subscribe it, and thank you all for being with us today.